Hi everybody! As things start opening back up, it's important to remain safe and healthy by following the HSC safety guidelines. We're here to show you how to make an easy do-it-yourself mask. What you'll need are 3 rubber bands or hair bands and 1 square piece of fabric, like a handkerchief or scarf. To get started, begin by grabbing the 2 bottom edges and folding them over, about 4 inches. Continue doing this until your scarf is folded all the way to the top, making sure there's enough fabric to cover both your nose and your mouth. It should look like this. Next, you'll take the 2 elastics or ponytail holders and put them at both ends of the scarf. The next part is up to you. You can either secure the 2 ends of the scarf with another elastic, or you can fold in the 2 ends of the scarf and place it like this over your face. Thanks for watching. Make sure to read more about the safety guidelines on www.hsc.ie/coronavirus. We'll see you in the garden very soon.